Most service business owners who join FRAXN end up replacing their current bookkeeper, and here's why. When you sign up, FRAXN becomes your full bookkeeping solution. Most clients cancel their current bookkeeper as soon as they sign up, or they give notice after their first month-end report. This avoids double paying, it eliminates confusion, and it helps your onboarding run smoothly from day one. We'll walk you through the handoff and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. You can still keep your CPA for tax filing or payroll if you like. But if you want to simplify even more, we also offer sales tax filing, and we also do business and personal tax returns. You spend less time in the weeds, avoid costly mistakes, and make faster, more confident decisions with numbers you actually understand. Have more questions? Click here to get them answered and watch our other FAQ videos to see if FRAXN is the right fit for your business.